In The Design of Business, Why Design Thinking Creates New Alternatives for Business Growth, Roger Martin explores the essence of innovation and how businesses can create long-term competitive advantages. The central premise of the book is that companies that balance analytical thinking with intuitive design thinking are best positioned to innovate and adapt in an ever-evolving business landscape. Martin argues that many organizations get trapped in a cycle of reliability, where they prioritize efficiency and predictability at the expense of exploration and innovation. While reliability is essential for stability, it cannot alone sustain growth or anticipate future challenges. Martin introduces the concept of the knowledge funnel to explain how businesses transition from mysteries to heuristics and, finally, to algorithms. Mysteries represent problems that are unknown or unsolved. As businesses seek to understand these mysteries, they develop heuristics, rules of thumb or guiding principles that provide approximate solutions. Over time, heuristics evolve into algorithms, standardized processes that maximize efficiency and reliability. While algorithms help businesses scale operations, they can also stifle creativity, as they focus on exploiting existing knowledge rather than exploring new possibilities. Martin emphasizes that innovation occurs at the early stages of the knowledge funnel, where mysteries and heuristics dominate, making design thinking an essential tool for forward-thinking organizations. Design thinking, according to Martin, bridges the gap between reliability and validity. Reliability is about producing consistent results based on existing knowledge, while validity seeks new truths and possibilities. Design thinking embraces abductive reasoning, a form of logical inference that focuses on generating new ideas rather than proving or disproving existing ones. By fostering an environment that values creativity, empathy, and experimentation, businesses can embrace ambiguity and uncertainty, transforming them into opportunities for innovation. Throughout the book, Martin underscores the importance of balancing analytical and intuitive approaches in decision-making. He critiques the traditional business mindset that prioritizes efficiency, cost-cutting, and short-term gains, often at the expense of long-term vision and adaptability. Businesses that rely solely on analytical thinking risk becoming stagnant, as they focus too much on refining existing processes and neglect the exploration of new opportunities. On the other hand, an overemphasis on intuitive thinking without structure or rigor can lead to unmanageable risk. Successful organizations are those that harmonize these approaches, fostering a culture of exploration while maintaining operational efficiency. One of the most compelling examples in the book is Martin's discussion of Procter & Gamble's use of design thinking to transform its product development process. Under the leadership of A.G. Lafley, P&G shifted from a purely analytical approach to one that embraced empathy, consumer insights, and iterative prototyping. By focusing on understanding customers' needs and aspirations, P&G developed innovative products that resonated with their target audiences, leading to significant market success. This case study illustrates how design thinking can be applied to large, complex organizations to drive growth and innovation. Martin also introduces the concept of the design thinker as a new type of leader who can navigate the tension between exploration and exploitation. These leaders are comfortable with ambiguity and uncertainty, and they prioritize understanding customers' experiences and emotions. By adopting a human-centered approach to problem-solving, design thinkers can uncover new opportunities that traditional analytical methods might overlook. Martin argues that cultivating design thinkers within an organization is critical for fostering a culture of innovation and resilience. Another key insight from the book is the idea that businesses need to fail forward to succeed. Martin highlights the importance of prototyping and iteration, emphasizing that failure is an integral part of the innovation process. By testing ideas early and often, businesses can learn from their mistakes and refine their solutions before scaling them. This approach contrasts sharply with traditional business practices, which often seek to avoid failure at all costs. Martin's perspective encourages organizations to embrace a mindset of experimentation and learning, ultimately leading to more sustainable innovation. Martin also discusses the role of organizational structure in enabling or hindering innovation. He argues that many companies are organized around efficiency and control, with rigid hierarchies and siloed departments that limit collaboration and creativity. To foster innovation, organizations must adopt more flexible structures that encourage cross-disciplinary collaboration and open communication. By breaking down silos and empowering employees at all levels, businesses can create an environment where ideas flow freely, and innovation thrives. The book also delves into the challenges of implementing design thinking in established organizations. Martin acknowledges that shifting from a reliability-focused culture to one that embraces exploration and creativity is not easy. Resistance to change, fear of failure, and entrenched habits can all act as barriers to innovation. However, Martin provides practical strategies for overcoming these challenges, such as building small, autonomous teams to experiment with new ideas and gradually scaling successful initiatives across the organization. A recurring theme in the design of business is the importance of empathy in innovation. Martin argues that understanding the needs, desires, and frustrations of customers is the foundation of successful design thinking. By putting themselves in their customers' shoes, businesses can uncover unmet needs and develop solutions that truly resonate. This human-centered approach not only drives innovation but also builds trust and loyalty among customers. Martin concludes the book by emphasizing that design thinking is not a one-time effort but an ongoing process. Businesses must continually navigate the knowledge funnel, moving between exploration and exploitation to adapt to changing circumstances and stay ahead of the competition. This requires a commitment to curiosity, experimentation, and learning at all levels of the organization. In summary, the design of business offers a powerful framework for understanding how businesses can innovate and thrive in a rapidly changing world. By embracing design thinking and balancing analytical and intuitive approaches, organizations can navigate the complexities of the knowledge funnel and create sustainable value. Martin's insights are not only applicable to business leaders but also to anyone seeking to drive change and make a meaningful impact.